Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add zoom effect on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to make your videos unique and want to make it interesting, adding the zoom effect can be the best. So keep on watching the video. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Here you can find the option of edit. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find the option of effects. Go ahead and select it. Here you can find a lot of effects options. Scroll to your right until you find the option called zoom. Now here you can find the slow zoom effect. Now tap onto one and tap onto the check mark. Now here you can see the slow zoom effect has been added to your video. And that's it. This is how you can add the zoom effect on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.